Inventory is up statewide in Maryland, while buyer activity has slowed in most areas despite more new contracts at higher prices. It's Friday, June 5th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Overall, homes are selling at 100% list to sold ratio as buyer activity in the Baltimore metro area is up 5.9% this report. But new contracts are 11.3% lower week over week at a 1.2% higher list price. The Southern Maryland market has 13.6% less buyer activity, but new contracts are up week over week, though it is taking 3 days longer to go to contract. The buyer activity in the Maryland suburbs is moderate as new contracts are up week over week, but the listed sales prices have fallen this report. 17% more properties hit the market this week as new listings rose to 2,398 units coming on the market this week. The median list price for these active listings is $400,000. There are 3.7% fewer coming soon properties at 1,696 units at a slightly higher median list price of $500,000. New contracts rose to 1,751 properties in 17 days at a lower median list price of $445,000 this report. 1,779 properties closed statewide in just 10 days at 100% list to sold ratio, and the median sold price was $460,000. Overall, this indicates that the Maryland market is still in a seller's market, so buyers are going to have to be strategic. So there are 3,135 active rentals statewide, listed at a median $2,550 a month. And over the past week, it's taking a median of 31 days for a rental property to go to leased application. Are you curious about housing values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 5th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.